The Highland Park girls were seeking back-to-back state titles in Class 4A here at the UIL State Swimming and Diving Championships, but Alamo Heights had other ideas, not to mention the fact that Stratford was going for back-to-back titles on the boys' side, but there was a new boys champion at the end of the day as well. Here are the highlights. The Austin Vandergrift girls excited the Capital City crowd with a victory in the 200 medley relay in a time of 1:47.63, while Humble Kingwood Park took home gold on the boys' side in that event with a time of 1:36.06. The 200-yard freestyle belonged to Haley Yell of Mansfield Legacy in a time of 1:48.77. The top honors on the boys' side belonged to Braden Seal of Frisco Wakeland, who was just getting started with his victory in the 200-yard free in a time of 1:38.24. The 200-yard individual medley highlighted the other two top performers as Destiny Nelson of Prosper put up a record time of 2:59, while Carter Wallace of Angleton earned gold on the boys' side with a time of 1:51.68. Kate Boyer of defending champion Dallas Highland Park won the 50-yard freestyle in a time of 23:44, while Corpus Christi Flower Bluff's Anthony Hoglum earned gold in a time of 20:94. El Paso High's Victoria Garcia won the 100-yard butterfly in a time of 56.99, while Texarkana, Texas High School standout Chris Radomski earned gold in a time of 49.84. A new Class 4A state record in the 100-yard freestyle was set as Boyer once again earned gold in a time of 50.85, eclipsing Skylar Smith's state record of 50.90 out of Richmond Foster. Angleton's Wallace made it 2 golds when he won the 100-yard freestyle in a time of 45.57.
Came in, seated first in both my events, and tried to defend that as best as I could. It's a sad and a good day. You know, sad that it is my last high school swim, and I just try to come out and do the best I could.
Jessica Sloan of Magnolia West shaved off nearly 5 seconds off her seed time in the 500-yard free, while Braden Seal helped guide Frisco Wakeland to the boys' state championship with a 4A record in the 500 free with a time of 4:25.71. Wakeland added a 400 freestyle relay title to cap it off in style with a time of 3:09.46. And it's going to be Wakeland in lane 4. So Frisco Wakeland, your state champions on the boys' side, and they do it in style. You like to go out on top and win that 400-yard freestyle, and they do just that. What a meet for Frisco Wakeland. They've got a strong team, no question about it. The Alamo Heights girls were equally impressive as they picked up 40 huge points in the 200-yard freestyle relay in a 4A state record time of 1:36.39, just ahead of the Highland Park record set in 2012. The Lady Mules of Alamo Heights also added a 400-yard freestyle relay title to cap off their record day.
The reason we're doing this is because it's fun and because we're enjoying ourselves, and personally, and we're a team.
Freshman Sine Skribic of Alamo Heights scored 457 points and won the 1-meter diving event, while her senior brother Finn Skribic became only the second diver in the history of the UIL to win 4 consecutive state titles in 1-meter diving. It was a great day to be an Alamo Heights Mule.
The swim program at Heights is great. Last year we had a great coach, Mel Alec, and this year we have even a better coach, Don Walker. They're both great coaches and definitely make this team who they are.
Other notables include Corpus Christi Flower Bluff winning the 200-yard freestyle relay in a time of 1:25.98. Prosper's Destiny Nelson capped off a huge day by breaking her own state record set in prelims with a time of 54.93 in the 100-yard backstroke. Everett Mallman of Brenham took home gold in the boys 100 back in a time of 51.69, and Samantha Bassman of Vandergrift won the 100-yard breaststroke in a time of 1:04.96, while Tomball's Trevor Strong was equally as strong on the boys' side in the 100-yard breast. San Antonio Alamo Heights, your champions in Class 4A on the girls' side. Congratulations to them. They win the gold, 202 points.
Yeah, and congratulations to their new coach, Dr. Don Walker. He's done an outstanding job with them. That 500,000 yards of swimming this year, there it is up on the blocks.
Frisco finishes second with the silver medal. Houston Stratford will take the bronze in third. That's the girls. On the boys' side in Class 4A, Frisco Wakeland takes the gold. Friendswood with the silver. Humble Kingwood Park with the bronze. Jeff Power, High School Spotlight.